Hello YouTube, welcome back. Let us take up this very interesting question. Using remainder theorem, find the remainders obtained when x cube plus kx plus 8 into x plus k is divided by x plus 1 and x minus 2. Hence find k if the sum of the two remainders is 1. Let me take the given polynomial as f of x cube plus kx plus 8 into x plus k. Now before proceeding, if you haven't watched the remainder theorem video in this playlist, I suggest you watch that first. We know that according to remainder theorem, when a polynomial f of x is divided by x plus 1, then what would be the remainder? We know that when a polynomial f of x is divided by x minus a, the remainder is f of a. In the same way, if this polynomial f of x is divided by x plus 1, I can write this x plus 1 as x minus of minus 1. Then the remainder would be f of minus 1. I hope this is clear. If f of x is divided by x minus a according to remainder theorem, the remainder is f of a. If f of x here in this case is divided by the first divisor, that is x plus 1, I can write x plus 1 as x minus of minus 1, so that a can be written as minus 1. Then the remainder would be f of minus 1. Let me take that first remainder as r1. What would be r1? It would be f of minus 1. What would be f of minus 1? Minus 1 whole cube plus k into minus 1 plus 8 into minus 1 plus k. So that would be minus 1, minus into plus would be minus, this would be minus k plus 8 plus k. So this would be minus 1 plus k minus 8 plus k. That's r1. So r1 here would be minus 9 plus 2k. Let's take the second one. Now I'll do exactly the same. When f of x is divided by x minus 2, if f of x is divided by x minus 2, then my remainder r2 here, I have taken this as r1, my remainder r2 here would be f of 2. Therefore, what would be f of 2? F of 2 would be 2 cube plus k into 2 plus 8 into x. In the place of x, I need to substitute 2 plus k. So this would be 8 plus 2k into 2 would be 4k plus 2 into 8 would be 16 plus k. That would be 5k plus 24. That would be f of 2. Right? Now this is my r2. Therefore, r2 would be 5k plus 24. Right? But they have given another data in the question that the sum of the two remainders is 1. Therefore, r1 plus r2 would be 1. What's r1? Minus 9 plus 2k. What's r2? 5k plus 24 equals 1. So what would be 2k plus 5k? That's 7k. Minus 9 plus 24 would be plus 15 equals 1. 7k would be 1 minus 15, that would be minus 14. And hence, I can say that the value of k here is minus 14 by 7, which is minus 2. Now when k is minus 2, what would be the value of the first remainder r1? r1 would be minus 9 plus 2 into minus 2. That would be minus 13. And what would be the second remainder r2? 5 into minus 2 plus 24. Minus 10 plus 24 would be 14. Therefore, when this polynomial f of x is divided by x plus 1, the remainder r1 is minus 13. And when the same f of x is divided by x minus 2, the remainder r2 is 14 and the value of k is minus 2. I hope you have understood this question. You can watch it 2 to 3 more times for extra revision, for better practice, practice questions similar to this, and a lot more videos coming in this playlist. So if you want more content like this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you all in the next video.